Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys power button to end call setting, how to on. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile phone power button to end call setting, so how to on and use one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends scroll it. Press click here additional setting. After an additional setting, date and time setting, language setting, gesture shortcut setting you can use from here. Press click here accessibility setting and press click here vision setting. After vision setting, friends you can use talk back, select to speak setting, display size friends you want to change, you can change display size. High content text friends you want to on, so you can on and you can use it. So friends, swipe here. Mono audio setting, friends you want to enable mono audio, you can adjust your mono audio from here. Right side and left side you can adjust volume. Friends, again swipe. Power button to end call setting, you want to on, so you can on power button to end call in your Redmi mobile and you can use it. So friends, your phone screen is on and friends you want to cut call, so friends you can cut call with power button. Press power button and friends you can cut call. And friends, you don't want to use power button to end call setting, you can turn off from here. And friends, you want to use auto rotate setting, screen rotate setting, you can on. Friends, vibration setting you can on from here. Ring vibration, notification vibration you can off and you can on from here. Touch feedback sound setting you can use it. So like that friends, we can use power button to end call setting in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.